You're watching TelecomTV from ONS North America 2019. And I'm joined now by Bill Wren, who is Chief Open Source Liaison Officer, ICT Infrastructure Open Source GM, Huawei. Bill, thanks for joining us on TelecomTV.
Okay.
We want to talk about what Huawei is doing with autonomous driving networks. So first of all, can I ask you what autonomous driving networks are and what is the problem that it is addressing?
Yeah. So what we talk about autonomous driving network is kind of, we borrow the concept from automotive industry for autonomous driving. So literally, of course, it means in the future we should no longer have people being involved at the front. Of course, back end we still have people to support. So make the whole network more automated and intelligent. So build this capability on top of the basic network element. So make it more open and intelligent and agility to be more involved and be leveraged with the full digital society. So basically the problem it being addressed is how this network could be more open and more intelligent, like intent driven, like self-healing, like big data analysis and AI capability.
And what are the challenges that the industry faces in order to achieve these autonomous driving networks?
Yeah, as you can see, regarding the industry challenge, what we are facing is the whole telco industry is, we are leading the digital society in the past 50 years, let's say, but recently it becomes we are lagging behind in terms of efficiency and also most important is the whole industry is we should have a unified vision first, and also then we should work together to instead of a standalone solution and make it's not fragmented anymore. We should more focus and more unified, more vision driven. That's what we should do for our whole telco industry.
So how does this work? How can the industry collaborate and work together to achieve this?
Yeah, of course, the whole telco industry, how can we more effectively work together? I would start with first make it target-driven or problem-driven. So why we are not being so unified? Because we didn't find the new challenge, as I talked this morning in my keynote. So we are a little bit trapped with the traditional challenge. Of course, it's still have to be taken care of, but talk about the new challenge, like we are not open, we are not intelligent enough. That makes us a little bit irrelevant to the digital society. And even in the future, how can the network be more leveraged by the vertical industries, or out of like only the people or the consumer business? So all this is we should first fully agreed we have new challenge to be addressed. Then secondly, this new challenge will drive us to have a new methodology, or let's say paradigm shift to what we are focusing on products before. We should systematically or architecturally to thinking to do from platform and ecosystem point of view to do these things together. So thirdly, of course, new collaboration. So let's say we have a new challenge, new problem to work on it, then this should drive us have a common vision. So the shared vision, a common vision, and the cross-industry collaboration make us work together more effectively to achieve this with platform-based, ecosystem-rich, and this will drive us to move forward for autonomous driving network.
And finally, what is Huawei's commitment to autonomous driving networks?
Yeah, as we all know, Huawei is a leading equipment manufacturer and vendor and solution for the telco industry. So we fully recognize we have to take the initiative and responsibility for this autonomous driving network. So firstly, we fully believe on it and fully commit on it, and also for openness, we are fully open and we're willing to work with our partner and even willing to bring more benefit to our partners and leaving the simplicity to them and let us do the more complexity things. So that's what we are working for. And as what we already did, we will continue to do the strong commitment and investment on the open source community and to work with all the partners together to achieve this autonomous driving network.
Bill Wren, thank you very much for joining us on TelecomTV.
Okay, thank you.